Hi folks, welcome to a new video. Today we're doing another SaaS Ideas video, and this time, it's all about CRM. CRM might be the most widely used SaaS product type, but most of the CRM products used today are quite generic. And most people want highly customized CRM solutions that can better help with sales tracking in their business. With no-code tools and AI on the rise today, it's possible to easily build those customized CRM apps. Plus, platforms like Fusion make it possible to build customized SaaS apps at very low cost. So today, it is a good idea to build a highly customized CRM product for a small niche and turn it into a profitable SaaS business. And we'll explore what kind of CRM products you could be building in 2025. So let's dive right in. The first idea is rather a category of CRM products built for very small niche industries. For example, real estate brokers or roofing contractors in a particular geography. There are many small, niche markets that are not served by the CRM giants. Today, you can use a no-code platform to quickly create a niche CRM product for one of these niche, and even if your micro SaaS business earns $100,000 per year, it can be a nice profitable business to have. This kind of CRM sauce is easy to build and potentially very profitable. For the customers, it offers a very sticky CRM solution. Ideal customers are small businesses from an underserved niche market. But the challenge could be to find such niche markets that are underserved. If you find any such CRM opportunities, the product can be very easily built on Fusion with no-code tools and AI. Next on our list is the AI-powered CRM. Integrating artificial intelligence into CRM can automate interactions, improve predictive analytics, and enhance lead scoring. It's all about boosting efficiency and providing insightful data for prioritizing leads. The perfect customers are tech-savvy companies that thrive on data-driven decisions. But beware, implementing AI can get complex and demand a budget. Not to mention, sorting out data privacy is crucial. Basic AI features can mix with no-code tools, but for the heavy lifting, bespoke development might be needed. Next, let's talk about CRM with social media integration. This concept allows you to tap directly into platforms like Facebook or Instagram to capture leads and engage effectively. It's a great tool for businesses with substantial social media footprints or if they are targeting younger demographics. One big challenge here is keeping up with the dynamic changes in social media APIs and algorithms. Basic integration setups can be managed via no-code platforms, but adaptability is a must to keep things current. Moving on, we have the Reputation Management CRM. This type of CRM helps businesses track reviews, analyze sentiments, and engage with customers, safeguarding their online reputation. Perfect for businesses with a noticeable online presence, such as e-commerce or service-based companies. The challenge: gathering unbiased data and dealing with negative feedback constructively. With no-code solutions, getting started with tracking and reporting is possible, though deeper sentiment analyses may call for specialized tools. Finally, let's look at Subscription Management CRM. It's designed for businesses with subscription models, managing everything from billing to renewals. It simplifies handling recurring customer engagements, thus aiding retention efforts. SaaS businesses, subscription box services, or any firm with a subscription-based model will find the CRM invaluable. Challenges include managing complex billing setups and syncing with payment processors. Initial workflows might be breeze in no-code platforms, but billing intricacies might require additional features. So, thanks for being with me. I hope this video has sparked some ideas if you're thinking about building a CRM. We'd love to know what kind of CRM idea got you most excited. Or if you have any other ideas in mind, drop them in the comments. Also, if you have any questions or need some more insights, feel free to ask. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.